In this video, I'm going to show you how to put text on top of an image inside of Google Sites. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you've been trying to do this in Google Sites, you can't do this because if I go ahead and show you this, I'm clicking on this image. Now if I click on to it again, I've got no option to add text over the image. If I click on to more editing options, it just gives me alt text, which places it down the bottom. So another way to do this, there's actually a few different ways. We can do this in Google Docs or Photoshop, but what I like to use, and it's free, is called Canva. So we need to go ahead and place that image inside of Canva. So open up Canva. If you don't have Canva, go ahead and download and install it. There's lots of videos on YouTube how to do that. Then from here, just go ahead and open up a blank page and then upload a file, upload your image. And then once you've got that image, just place it inside of Canva like so. Then from here, go ahead and click on the text box, click on add a heading, and now go ahead and place text here. So you can edit and do all fancy stuff here. So I want to change the color because it doesn't match here. So like this, I can also choose my fonts, choose different effects if I like. So if I want to do an outline and like say change it to black, like so, make it larger. Yeah, there's lots of things you can do inside Canva. I'm not going to get too heavily inside of that. Now, once you've done that, you want to go ahead and share this and download it. So click on share, download it to your computer. And then it's going to say downloading at the bottom right hand corner of the page. Now, once you've gone ahead and downloaded it, I'm going to click save it there. Go back to Google Sites. And now from here, we want to go ahead and add that image. So say I want to replace this image or have that image that I've just made in Canva. I'm going to click on the image, click on the three dots, click on replace image and upload. And now choose that image that you like to replace it with. Here it is there. Or you can just come onto the right, click on image, click on upload and upload that image. And then move it around and put it wherever you'd like inside of your Google Sites.